Ready to open the hood? Usetool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk tyre ends used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. To change the tyre end on your vehicle, you'll need to remove the wheels to gain full access to the steering system. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. You can now see the outer tyre end. As the components to be removed are very often seized up, don't hesitate to brush and to use penetrating oil to facilitate the operation. With a marker, trace a line between the axle joint and the tyre end. It will help later during the disassembly and reassembly process. Using a 19mm spanner, release the tyre end lug nut on the inner tie rod side. Hold the tyre end with a 13mm spanner to prevent it from turning. The lock nut is there to prevent any rotation of the two parts towards each other, which could have an impact on the alignment of your vehicle. Using pliers, release the pin holding the castellated nut. Using a 17mm spanner, release the holding lug nut on the tyre end. If you don't have a ball joint puller, take a hammer and hit the lug nut hard just at the end of the threading. The ball joint should move away from the pivot. Only tap on the tyre end pivot if you're changing the tyre end, otherwise you risk damaging the threading. Paying close attention to the point of reference, unscrew the tyre end counting the number of turns necessary to extract the tyre end. This will allow you to find an approximate setting when reassembling. For greater accuracy, use the mark drawn with a marker to return the lock nut to its initial position. Next, measure the distance between the lock nut and the end of the tie rod ball joint using a caliper. In any case, an alignment check will have to be carried out by a professional after performing this operation. Remove the lock nut from the axle joint.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new tie rod end and unscrew the lock nut supplied with it. Screw the lock nut back on until the distance measured with the caliper is reached. Put the tie rod end back in place, making the same number of turns as counted during disassembly. Using a wire brush, scrub the pivot, then apply silicone grease to the flat part that will be in contact with the tie rod bellows. Do not grease the inside of the cone. Replace the ball joint in the pivot. Reinstall the nut supplied with a new part and tighten it using a 19mm spanner. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Finalize the tightening of the lug nut using a 22mm spanner while holding the tie rod end using a 19mm spanner to avoid damaging the tie rod end. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. During this operation, you will work on the steering system of your vehicle. Checks and tyre alignment when carried out by a professional will guarantee that your steering system has been perfectly aligned and is in good working order. Put your vehicle back on the ground and fix the wheels in place properly. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.